Chandler's mother was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. Told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target, only child. Local informant tipped us off. Chandler agreed to work with us. On his way to the drop, someone took a shot at him. Tried to get home to his mom in West Virginia, got as far as D.C.
Not just about a dead Marine.
Think it could be tied to an arms deal case we're working over there. Want you to liaise with them, pick an agent to go with you.
San Diego.
Los Angeles, OSP.
She's still the agent in charge.
You got a problem?
No, but she might.
You're on the same team. Work it out.